I'm gonna relax a little bit before I go out.
You guys hear that? It is raining. 2 inches of rain outside. Let me give you a view of this before we start the video. 2 inches of rain right outside of my door. Welcome to the Smoky Mountains. So, wow. Hello, everyone. It's Adam here. Let's just focus on the bikes. Oh, I'll turn the video around. It's an unprofessional city here. Hello. Okay. We're in North Carolina, Robinsonville. Our bikes are behind us. There's 20, maybe 21 GS models here from Quebec. I'm here at the Quebec Motorcycle Club. I did 2 of their events last year. I finally joined yesterday, their club, and now I've spent the $200 to put myself into this room here with one other couple. And we drove about 19 hours south from my house. The couple that took me down, they got up at 4 a.m. in Montreal, met me at 9 a.m. at my house in New Hampshire. And then we stayed in a hotel last night in Harrisonburg. And then we got here today around 4. We went through a snowstorm, rain, blizzard-like conditions. It was crazy. We were towing a big trailer behind us. And then when we got there, the Rubbermaid cooler in the back was soaked. So we've got this awesome apparatus that someone built locally that basically blows air through a fan into my soaking wet boots. All of our stuff is wet. My helmet was actually in the car, but their helmets are wet. And my climb gear dried out, but it's still wet down here. So anyway, it's just it'll be dry by tomorrow. So we're here at the treetops. It's a new motorcycle sort of camping area. You can see here, this is one area. I think this was $600 for the week is what this cost. I think it was $400 or $600 for the week. I can't remember. Has Wi-Fi via satellite, has cable via satellite, has power, has a cooking area, which is pretty basic. It's very camp-like. You've got the upstairs. It'll sleep 7 quite easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 7 quite easily. Pool table, all that good stuff. It's going to be raining most of the week. Tomorrow it should be nice. The bikes are all ready and outfitted. There's going to be lots of long videos I'll post from this week. You're probably going to see this after I get home because the internet here is god-awful. The upload speed is atrocious. So this won't get published this week, but I will finish the videos and send them out to you guys. And yeah, I'll leave you guys with these delicious dessert bars. Everyone's out having dinner though. They're dinner up the hill. They're cooking, barbecuing. So I'm going to grab myself another beer. Or maybe I'll do bourbon. I bought some beer beef from Vermont. I think I'm going to grab my bottle of bourbon, get my rain suit on, walk up the hill, and then start this adventure. So hello from North Carolina. It's going to be a great week. The bike is in tip-top condition. Everyone's going to be changing their oil tomorrow if it rains. So we'll have an oil change and maintenance day. I've got a couple questions I've got for some of the guys. Everyone is just a really, really smart, experienced GS owner. Look at this guy's electric situation here, back of the bike. But what's amazing is he's powering the socket here, the charger. He has 1, 2, 3, like 4, 8 lights here, and then on the back he has turn signals integrated into his panniers, turn signals integrated into the box, and then the brake lights here. So it's really a cool setup. I think you have lights back here too. Yeah, he's lights back there as well. So it's a huge amount of lights. And then we got a battery tender charger there. So the guy obviously, has the electrical stuff mastered, as you can tell from the rat's nest here. But everything else is great. So I'm just settling in. I've got all my stuff charging over here. I've got an 8 USB. This is a great little thing, by the way. I can't walk around easily. It's 8 USB ports, 2.4 amp ports in one that I can basically charge almost everything I bring with me. And then other than that, with the laptop, and we have the Canon 5D charger. On the bike, we've got the TomTom, the Nav6, GoPro Hero 4 on the front, the GoPro section on the back that'll be charging via USB port that I have underneath my seat here. So I've got to actually run the cable here to get it all the way back here. And then the GoPro on my face, which I actually bought this cool 3000 milliamp GoPro accessory. It'll make my helmet super heavy. I won't be able to record audio with it, but it will allow me to not have to stop every half hour to change all the batteries. Okay, that's all for now. Intro video done. I may just publish this as is. Ideally, I kind of clip this into the video. Maybe before this, I end up putting the driving clips in. I don't even know how I'm going to do it. let's go to some driving clips of getting down here. Then we'll cut over to riding. We're about 7 miles from Tail of the Dragon and tons of other great roads. These guys are spending half their time off-road, half the time on-road. We gotta go to Gatlinburg. I'm definitely gonna go to Asheville this week. I'm definitely gonna go over to Chattanooga this week. I may even make it my way into Kentucky this week to buy some bourbon. Busy week for me. You don't have to ride with everyone every day. There's little groups that break off. I definitely need to get a hipster haircut in Asheville and get some good coffee. I was gonna pack my coffee machine, but I didn't. There was no room. I'm actually glad I didn't because it would have been completely soaked with water had I stored it in the thing that they provided me. So close call there. All right, that's all for now, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm so stoked to be here. First kind of trip of the season, and let's hope this rain goes away really soon. All right, time to load it up. All right, well, we've made it to somewhere in Connecticut. It's 2 o'clock. Bikes are looking good. Everything is stable, in order. It's very warm here compared to New Hampshire. I think it's like 30 something. That's 45 degrees. It's funny. So we continue on. Good morning, everyone. We're in Harrisonburg, Maryland. And last night I was thinking, man, I really could have ridden down, but it's 25 degrees out. Pretty glad that I did not ride down to this trip. Very cold, and now we start our day. It looks like the bikes were not tampered with at all. Check the padlocks. Yeah, no problem there. Bikes are dirty, obviously, from the road, but mine still looks amazing because it's a beautiful bike. I actually brought my Jesse racks inside last night just in case. They weren't locked from the outside, so I wasn't sure, but given the Rotopax is still on, I'm pretty sure no one touched it last night. All good? Check for leaks. Probably. I think this is okay. Yeah, it's not.
It's dry?
It has to get really soaked, I think, to really permeate. And this thing's a dry bag. I drilled holes myself, so I wonder if this is leaking. It's my first test of it in waterproof environment. No, it looks good.
Yeah. Well, with the paint.
Yeah.
It'll be all right.
Yeah, it smells nice, doesn't it?
Yep. Still smells fresh.
Yeah, that was my winter project, is weatherizing these things. They were used, so I painted them and added this, and I added the bar for the fuel back here.
Yep. Oh, that's a nice package. That was an R3. So if they see you falling behind, there we go. And drag. Yep. Non, je veux juste ralentir. Ouais, parce que je virais à gauche.
glad you're driving.
Hmm?
I'm glad you're driving.
Why is that?
All the management of the gears and the trailer.
Ils ont pas poussé. Ouais.
Sylvain, on va te faire du bike. On va
The
faire
way that it works, I put your name here, all the name, I put the meal. So you're here, Sylvain prepare some stuff, 7 meals. You can eat them if you want. If you want to do your own, it's okay. If you eat, I put a...
Yep.
And at the end of the week, we charge. It's usually it's between $5 and $7 a meal.
Okay.
But you take care of your side. If you want a salad, rice, you take care of this.
Yeah.
We just take care of the main course.
Yeah.
And we have 7 meals, and there's 8 or 9 days, so maybe 1 or 2 dinner you take care of it.
Okay.
We're gonna have a lasagna, spaghetti, chicken, pate. It's like a
Cheese beef.
yeah,
shepherd's pie.
shepherd's pie,
Shepherd's pie, it's a meat.
Yeah.
corn, potato, mashed potato, and du pain de viande. C'est quoi? Meatloaf.
Okay. Sylvain has spaghetti sauce. The master at work.
Master at work.
Let's spaghetti and the pasta is on this side.
You need help at all?
No,
Okay.
C'est parce que t'allais dormir avec
my girlfriend's gonna work.